Introducing the Gripper Building Kit for Dash and Cube robots. With this kit, you get to build a new accessory for your robots, a gripper that you can program to pick up and transport objects. Let's find out how the gripper functions. The gripper gives Dash the ability to grip objects. So, what makes the gripper grip? Gears. A gear is a wheel with teeth. When two gears mesh together, their movement becomes related to one another. This change in direction allows the gripper to have two arms that open and close. The arms not only open and close, but lift.
That's cool.
Dash uses sensors to detect objects and the gripper to pick them up. Dash can even deliver them to where you want. So, what makes the gripper lift? The secret is using a ball and socket joint. This type of joint enables a full range of motion. By rotating Dash's head, the ball and socket allow not only movement side to side, but also up and down. Now, what will you do with your gripper?
Ta-da!